Man, they said ISIS in Seabrook. They just dropped a bomb in the snowplow. In the Igloo.
Come around this way. The entrance is over here.
They got an entrance.
Hey, yo, you gotta check this shit out, yo. You guys should check this shit out, yo.
Oh my God, really? Hey, vicious this shit.
Hit that door.
I ain't getting my big ass in there, y'all.
I'm going in the Igloo.
What y'all scoot over?
Yeah, I ain't never seen no shit like this.
Come here, look, we got a screen right here, TV.
Ain't got no TV. Hey man, this hood fast. Surroun, I ain't never seen nothing like this.
Those dealers spank your ass, man. You gotta have
80 a night. Utilities included. Use your own bathroom.
Let me see the phone. Don't stop recording. Don't stop. Oh, you stop me, man.
Man,
Yeah, we got the TV, Ray Charles going on.
Man, Ray Charles.
We got the surround sound, the Bose, Fireplace. Chilling. It's no big as shit, yo.
God damn. Man, I'm out of here.
Yeah, we chilling like shit.
Hey man, MTV Cribs. Signing out.